In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Hunter Assassin from Google Play Store. If this helps, please like and subscribe. So if you've been trying to install this app but you can't, then follow these steps. In the first method, you need to go ahead and open your Play Store and make sure that you are logged in with your account, that is your Gmail. From here, you should be able to install it. However, if you're already logged in but unable, then go ahead and tap on your account here and scroll down to settings option. Now, if you tap on settings, you'll be taken to this page. Look for network preferences, and under it, you should see various options. Go ahead and choose app download preference. Now, as you can see, currently we have three options: over any network, over Wi-Fi only, and ask me every time. Go ahead and choose the first option, over any network. This will ensure that you are able to install any app via any network you are connected to. Then tap on OK. And from here now, proceed, try installing your app. In most cases, this should work. However, if you're still experiencing any challenge, then the issue might be with Google Play Store. For that, go to Play Store app and long press on it, and then look for app info. If you can't see app info, you should see a settings gear or even the app name. Just tap on it to access the app info page. From here, we want to go ahead and clear the app data, more especially the cache data. If I go to storage, you can see a breakdown of data from our Play Store app. Of importance is this cache data. Cache data, sometimes when this data accumulates, might cause Play Store to malfunction. To fix this, go ahead and tap on clear data and then choose the second option, that is clear cache, and finally OK. From here, start your smartphone and go back to Play Store, search for your app. So I'll go ahead and search for our game, that is Hunter Assassin, and now I'll go ahead and install it. As you can see, now everything is okay. I can now install Hunter Assassin. So that's how you can fix can't install Hunter Assassin from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.